You ready? Let's go. Hey.
Shoot, Daddy.
Hold on, baby. I gotta let these people know it's real over here. Hey, if you smoke weed, fuck with me, you feel me? Alright. Look, if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. You know? Same thing, man. Same thing. Ain't shit changed, man. Ain't shit changed, man. Same name. Same gang, same thing, gang. Same change, same rank-a-tang, same gang bang. Nah, I'm just fucking with you. Fuck with it. If you smoke weed, nigga, fuck with it. Tell me how you like this weed song. You know I ain't really into weed song, but they got me on paper. You know I can't really fuck around, but fuck with me though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. YouTube this, nigga. Hey. Look into my eyes when they bloodshot red. Look like I'm ready to go to bed, but I'm just high. I just smoked out a keg, going home to solo like said. Your boy on that fire, and I ain't done yet. As I roll, I fire up a cigarette to boost my high. I'm higher than the jet, so high I make the fucking sky scared. You don't know how I feel, nigga. When doobies hit my finger, I still hit them. A nigga told me that weed kill systems. Then I should have been dead as a little nigga. But fuck him and his baby sister. They can kiss my ass while I kiss Swisher. Blowing fire like a fucking missile. Eyes red, eye drops couldn't make them clearer. I'll make any reason to smoke. My favorite reason is I'm stressing, but got plenty of dough. My baby mama checking to see if I'm blow. It's been too many years, she already know. When I smoke an overload. Thank God the effect don't make me overdose. Fucking with these white boys in the grove. We done smoked out a keg, I'm high in the hole. I'm high as I'm spitting this flow, so excuse me if I fuck up though, cause I usually don't go this slow. But if you smoke weed too, little bro, then you know how I go. If I work a 9 to 5, I blow my check. Have to hustle on the side just to pay my debt. Had a love of my life, so mad and upset. But when a nigga be high, I be like, get over it, bitch. Nah, but I'm just fucking around. Yeah, I got enough money to make the sun go down. Down, down. Now that's a real nigga stunt. Be high in 3 hits, that's a real nigga blunt. Into my eyes when they bloodshot red. Look like I'm ready to go to bed, but I'm just high. I just smoked out a keg, going home to solo like said. Your boy on that fire, and I ain't done yet. As I roll, I fire up a cigarette to boost my high. I'm higher than the jet, so I make the fucking sky scared. Zab high than the motherfucker, looking like I work a job, pulled a couple doubles. Got high, didn't wear rubber, made Zaria in my hey, daddy love you. I ain't gonna say it was an accident, cause I knew what I was doing when the back was bent. Smoking weed, selling crack and shit, yeah. Smoking weed in the lack with tent. Kush weed, you be glad you spent. Fuck with me, boy, I give you back your sense. And I got an attractive scent. That marijuana cologne, man, what's happening? Smoke a whole box of Newports. Boost my high, eyes closed like a new door. Don't smoke corn, cause my high be too short. Smoking hit the mall and head straight to the food court. Hell yeah, I got the munchies. Stomach sucked in like a whole bunch of crunches. I'm a hustler, eat breakfast and skip lunches. All through the day I get money and keep a blunt lid. Shit, saying I ain't on no dumb shit. Smoking with a lot of niggas gonna get one hit. And to keep away from roaches, shit, I'm gonna be solo when I smoke this. My eyes when they bloodshot red. Look like I'm ready to go to bed, but I'm just high. I just smoked out a keg, going home to solo like said. Your boy on that fire, and I ain't done yet. As I roll, I fire up a cigarette to boost my high. I'm higher than a jet, so high I make the fucking sky scared.